Hey guys! I don't even know, this dance doesn't get old. I'll think of something else. But welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Davidajai. If this is the first time you're joining us, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Thank you for joining us today. Please, if you've not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button below. And also do not forget to click on the like button now, or you can also do that if you enjoy watching the video at the end or whenever you feel like. Thank you. Meanwhile, there's a matter I want to address today before I even go to anything at all. Why you guys not liking my videos now? Like, don't people enjoy it? How can I have so many views and then very little likes? What's going on now, you guys? Please now, help us, help our ministry, like it. I beg. It's just that thumbs up button below. That's all. They will not charge you. You're not going to pay anything. It's just to click it. That's all. Help a sister now. I beg. Let YouTube know that something's happening here. I'm not proud. I'm begging you. I beg. Thank you. If you're an old timer, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned. I love you. Before I go into the video, I just want to address something. So I feel like you guys have just been, learning serious things. And as much as I like teaching people, I also like having fun. I know some people will not believe. It's fine. It's your business. But I like having fun, and I love to laugh. I love to play. I love to, discuss and learn also from people. So I've been thinking about having a live session. Please, you guys should comment if you want that, if you're interested, if you think it'll be a good idea. You can also make suggestions on time, what we should discuss on the live. We don't even have to discuss anything. Let's just talk. My name is this. Yes, get to know me. If you are fine with that, if you guys are going to be excited about that, let me know so that we can plan that ahead. Of course, I won't just come up and say we have live tomorrow. We would be planning towards that. So please let me know if that's something you guys want. I look forward to your responses. Thank you. For the live video, we have to plan it well because I cannot come and be talking to myself. Before I was say, okay, let's do live video, and then I now go up and I'm the only one there. I beg. If people say we should have live video, no one allow, but please, I don't want to come and talk to myself. I'm already talking to myself a lot and enough during these videos that I film, and I feel like I want to get to know you people. I want to interact, so please don't let me come and peel. Thank you. So today we'll be sharing this beautiful wedding that I planned for Anita and Nduka in 2021. I hope you enjoy watching this beautiful Delta traditional marriage, and I look forward to showing you guys more. Thank you so much, Anita, for allowing me share your video to the world. I love you. We love you. Bye.
My daughter, I bless you in the name of our Lord. You will grow. You will be
Leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave the channel, and also don't forget to drop a comment. Share your opinion about this video. See you next time. Bye.